In today's video, we'll talk about variables in Python. In this introductory video, we'll talk about how variables are written and how to declare a variable in Python. Firstly, let's get started. Let's say we have two people, Sam and Elon, and let's see when they woke up at each date. On 20th September, Sam woke up at 7 a.m. On 29th September, he again woke up at 7 a.m. And then on 30th September, he also woke up at 7 a.m. Now, if you ask Sam, when do you wake up, right? What would he answer? He would answer that I wake up constantly at 7 a.m. But in case of Elon, you can see here that he woke up at 6 a.m. on 20th September, on 6:30 a.m. at 29th September, and at 9 a.m. on 30th September. Now, if you ask him the question of when he wakes up, he would say, well, it varies. Some days I wake up super early and some days I wake up super late. So we use the same concept for variables. Its value changes only if we want it to change. So what really is a variable? A variable is a vessel that can store a value. So it's just a vessel that can store any value we would like it to store. And the value can be changed if we wish. Now focus on the if. Like the value of a variable can only be changed if we wish to change it. Otherwise it remains the same. So now let's start with some examples. Let's say I have a variable a. Now this is the vessel when I declare a variable, right? But it has no value stored. So I write a equals to 20 in Python. Now in this vessel, it stores 20. The variable named a has stored the value 20 in it. Now let's say I'm not satisfied with the value or I need it for something else. And I want to rewrite the value of variable a to 30 from 20. Then I can simply write a equals to 30. Now this is overwritten. And then the new value of variable a is 30. Now let's see how that happens in Python. Here I have Google Colab working with a Python file. So let's start. Let's say I have a variable a and I write a equals to 20. Now I want to see what a has stored. So I print a and you can see it has stored the value 20. Now let's say we want to change the value, right? Then I would write a equals to 30 and then again write a and the value is changed. So this is it about variables. Tomorrow we'll talk about basic rules of naming variables.